Glimmer and glow. In the day, a firefly glints in the garden, but at night, it glows like a star. In the day, a click beetle glimmers, but at night, it glows in the dark. Lots of animals glow. Their bodies give off light. Glowworms glitter in dark caves. The light can mean stay away. In the deep sea, most animals glow. They glow green and blue like the sea. Jellyfish glide in the water. They hide in the moonlight. Other fish glow to find food. See that fin? It looks like a hook. Tiny sea animals look white in the light, but in the dark, they glitter. There are many animals that glow. See how these glitter.